Are you making Daniel laugh? Is that so funny? Is that so funny? Hi, Michael. Hi. Oh, go sit by Daniel so I can see you both. Is that so funny? What are you playing with, Michael? Are those your letters? Where's the F? Can you find it?
Yeah.
What's F for?
Fish.
Fish? What's that one?
A baby.
Oh, what's this one here? What's this one? Michael, does Daniel like you? Is he your brother? Oh, you're being so silly. Oh, okay. Don't do that. We'll break it. Careful. Oh. Oh, let's put that away. Hey, Michael, can you say hi? Hi. Daniel, can you say hi? Hi. Hi.
Baby,
Baby saying hi? Oh,
baby.
careful. Hi, baby. Yep, Daniel is barely 6 months old. And Michael is 2. Just turned 2 about a month ago. Alright. Alright, hey. Is that funny? You guys say goodnight? Good night. Good night, Daniel. Good night, Michael.